Today we're diving into the whirlwind that is Zimbabwean politics. Buckle up, because this ride is full of twists and turns. So, let's talk about Nelson Chamisa. If you're not familiar, Chamisa is a major player in Zimbabwe's political scene. He was the leader of the opposition party, the CCC, but recently he made a dramatic exit, citing manipulation and control by the ruling Zanu PF party. Now, Chamisa isn't backing down. Despite the chaos, he's planning to form a new party. This move is seen by many as a way to distance himself from what he sees as compromised politics within the CCC. He's basically saying, I'm done with the old, and I'm bringing in something new. But here's where it gets even more interesting. Enter Sengezo Tshabangu. This guy is relatively unknown, but has managed to stir up a whole lot of trouble. He's been disavowed by both the CCC and Zanu PF, but somehow he's successfully initiated the recall of several CCC members of parliament and councillors. Talk about shaking things up. And in the midst of all this, President Mnangagwa has scheduled by-elections for December 9th, 2023 to fill those vacant positions. The outcome of these elections could drastically change the political landscape. But let's not forget about the $22 million SADC under the Political Parties Finance Act. This money has been given to Tshabangu, the self-imposed Secretary General of the CCC. Many see this as a strategic move by Zanu PF to trap or bring Chamisa back into the political arena. It's like they're saying, we're not done with you yet, Chamisa. And then there's the international angle. Brighton Mutebuka, a UK-based Zimbabwean lawyer, has accused Zanu PF of trying to undermine Zambian President Hakainde Hichilema. The alleged plan involves social media manipulation, state media propaganda, and disinformation campaigns. It's a mess. So what does all this mean for Zimbabwe's future? Well, it's hard to say. Chamisa's new party could either unify the opposition or further fragment it. The upcoming by-elections could shift the balance of power, and the international allegations could add even more fuel to the fire. One thing's for sure, though, Zimbabwean politics is anything but boring. I'll be keeping an eye on this story, and I'll be sure to keep you all updated as things unfold. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any updates. See you next time.